Good morning students. So today we are continue the exercise 1.3. So now in the last class we have seen up to the question number 5. So now we are starting question number 6. Now till now we know that whenever we require to prove that function is invertible, there are two things we have. First, they show that the function is 1, 1 and onto. And the second thing, we can find out the another function g such that f composition of g and g composition of f is identity, is equals to identity. So this we know. Now this much the knowledge we are having. With this we are processing the further. So now what we have. So let me see the question number 6. So number 6 is show that the function f from -1 1 to r defined as f of x is equals to x upon x plus 2 is 1 1. So we have to show that this function is 1 1. Now find the inverse of the function f from -1 1 to range of the f. So here first we have to find out that this function is 1 1. So let us proceed with this. Here we have f is 1 1. So now again students, please recall the definition of 1 1 is that we know if we consider two elements x1 and x2 which is belongs to a domain that is -1 and -1 to 1, close interval -1 to 1, and we consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2, and then we will show that x1 is equals to x2. अगर हमने x1 is equals to x2 दिखा दिया, that means कि हमारा function 1 1 है, otherwise it is not 1 1. So let us show this. So f of x1. So this can be written as x1 upon x1 plus 2. Here x2 upon x2 plus 2. Now let me cross multiply. So it is x1 x2 plus 2 times x1 here is equals to, let me multiply this with this step. So it is x1 x2 plus 2 times x2. Okay. So now for the simplification, x1 x2 both sides. So cut. So we are having 2x1 is equals to 2x2, 2 cut, x1 is equals to x2, therefore f is 1 1. So first part is proved that our function is 1 1. So now first we have proved. Now the question is find the inverse of the function f from -1 1 to range of f. So student, when we are seeing this is a r. Okay, so maybe there are some elements where we cannot find any x in -1 to 1 such that this function gives us the value r. Okay, any real number. So that's why we are what they have given us. They have given us the function f as the reduced one. They now define -1 1 to range of the function f. Okay, and as we know that कि अगर हमारा कोडोमेन जो है वो रेंज से अगर चेंज हो जाता है, दैट मीन्स द फंक्शन इज 1 1. So what is this here? That this function is changed by the the codomain is now the range. So therefore we can say now we have f is 1 1 and codomain is equals to range of f. Therefore f is onto, right? And as f is 1 1 and onto, so therefore f is invertible. Now question is we have to find out the function f inverse. Yes, the question is find the inverse of the function. So this is invertible, so there must exist the any function. So let me write down here f of x is equals to y. How to start that? Whichever we have done in the ontoness, we have seen the few question earlier too कि जब भी हमें ontoness चाहिए तो हम लिखते क्या है, f of x is equals to y. Then we are converting x in the terms of y. और जो भी हमारा पूरा x होगा y के टर्म में कन्वर्ट. Okay, so that we will take as a function g. So let me start with it. F of x is x upon x plus 2 is equals to y. So this will give us x is equals to xy plus 2y. So this will give x minus xy is equals to 2y. So here x is common, then remaining is 1 minus y is equals to 2y. So x is equals to 2y upon 1 minus y. Okay, so what we have done, the next step, we have taken f of x is equals to y and we convert the whole x in the terms of y. So now we are having x is equals to 2y upon 1 minus y. So what we will do now? So therefore define a function g from where to where? Range of f to minus 1 to 1 as g of y is equals to 2y upon 1 minus y. Okay, clear? What we have done? We have defined another function g. So range of f from minus 1 to 1 as g of y is equals to 2y upon 1 minus y. Now we have to show that g is the inverse of this function f. So अगर inverse दिखाना है तो हमें क्या दिखाना पड़ेगा? Yes, composition, कि उसका composition identity function चाहिए. Okay, so let me start with this. So you may note down this much. Okay, easy part. First हमें क्या दिखाना है? It is 1 1. So what we will go? We will go through the definition of the 1 1 function. Let x1 x2 belongs to the domain that is minus 1 1 closed interval minus 1 to 1, and then consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2, and then we go further. So you get f is 1 1. Now next will be, we have the question is find the inverse of f. तो inverse find करने के लिए पहले हमें क्या चाहिए? That function is invertible. Okay, वो दिखाना चाहिए. So for that f is 1 1 that we have proved, and as our function codomain is reduced to the range of f, so therefore it is onto. Now as ontoness is proved, that means 1 1 and ontoness both is there, so f is invertible. Now as the f is invertible, so now we have to find out the function g. So g find करने के लिए क्या करना है? Same procedure. Take f of x is equals to y, then convert x in the terms of y. So हमें x क्या मिल रहा है? 2y upon 1 minus y. So now we are defining g from range of f to minus 1 to 1 as g of y is equals to 2y upon 1 minus y. So now the question is g is the inverse of f or not? For that we have to show. So now let me consider f composition of g. Now g is a function from where to where? Range of f. So I am writing here g of y. So that means f of g of y. So f of what is g y? 2y upon 1 minus y. Now what is f? X upon x plus 2. So at the place of x we are having 2y upon 1 minus y. So ये हम लिखेंगे x की जगह पे 2y upon 1 minus y. In the denominator x plus 2, तो ये लिखा चलेगा x, that is 2y upon 1 minus y plus 2. Now simplify. So simplify करने से हमें क्या मिल रहा है? That is equals to 2y upon 1 minus y upon 2y plus 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 1 minus y, so this 2 minus 2y upon 1 minus y. So 1 minus y and 1 minus y is cut. Here 2y plus 2y minus cut. So you are getting 2y upon y. So again, sorry, not y, this 2. Now 2 cut, that means y. And as it is a function from range of f, so y belongs to that. So this is the identity on the codomain. Okay, that is the identity on y, range of f. Okay, so here we are getting f composition of g is equals to identity on the range of f. And what can be the G composition of F? So I am again removing this part. So let me see G composition of F. Now F is a function from -1, 1 to R. So we take in here. So we are taking x. So G of f of x, that is G of x upon x plus 2. But what is your Gy? 2y upon 1 minus 1. 2y upon 1 minus 5. So we write down 2y. Y की जगह पे आपके पास है x upon x plus 2 upon 1 minus y. So 1 minus x upon x plus 2. Just simplify it. So 2x upon x plus 2 upon x plus 2 minus x upon x plus 2. X plus 2 and x plus 2 cut. X and minus x cut. 2x upon 2. 2 cut, that is x. And this is the identity on the closed interval -1 to +1. So what we have shown that first f is 1 1. 1 1 के बाद हमने देखा है that f is 1 1 and on to if we reduce its codomain to the range. Okay, then we have defined another function g. Okay, as g is a function from range of f to -1 1. Please see all the proof and note down in your book. So then what we are having that we have defined the g. Okay, in terms of x we have converted in the terms of y. And then we have shown that f composition of G is an identity on range and G composition of f is the identity on the -1 to 1. And as these two properties satisfied, therefore we can say G is inverse of f, and therefore f inverse is equals to G is equals to 2y upon 1 minus y for all y belongs to range of f. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay students, so now I hope you understood the question very well, what to do. Okay, this question, they ask this type of question in 4 marks. So here you can see what you have to show. Whenever invertible prove करना है आपको तो पहले 1 1 और 1 2 दिखाना पड़ेगा. Okay, and then ये composition दिखाना है आपको. ये composition is that. So here composition identity function and therefore it is invertible and hence we have proved. So let me see the next question. Same type of question. So here again we have to show that function is invertible. So question number 7 is there. Now let me write down the question number 7. 7 is a function f from R to R and it is defined as f of x is equals to 4x plus 3. Okay, this type of question we have seen earlier too in the 1 lesson on 2 lesson when we to prove. In that case, so I am giving this question to solve for yourself. So we are continue with the next question, that is question number 8. 7 में सेम प्रोसेस करना है आपको. फर्स्ट शो दैट द फंक्शन is 1 1 and on 2 और डायरेक्टली yes the question is consider that f from R to R given by f of x is equals to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible. So you can directly do that f of x is equals to y, then find out g and define g in such a way and then show that composition is identity. So that much you can do directly. अगर आपका composition identity function है then we can say that it is an invertible function and inverse is defined like this. Okay. So question number 7, I hope you can do it. Let me start with the question number 8. So question number 8. Now students, let me see question number 9. So question number 9 is the function f from R plus 2 minus 5 close interval minus 5 to infinity. Fx is defined as 9x square plus 6x minus 5. The question is show that f is invertible with f inverse of y is equals to under root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Now let me show that function is f is invertible. So we know that for the invertible we have to show that function is 1, 1 and onto. So we start with this one. So let x1 and x2 belongs to R plus. Then what can we define as a? And f of x1 is equals to f of x2. So this will be 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 is equals to 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. So minus 5 and minus 5 cut. Now let us transpose this whole thing on the left hand side. So 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 9x2 square minus 6x2 is equals to 0. So 9x1 square and 9x2 square, from these two 9 is common. In a bracket you are having x1 square minus x2 square. From 6x1 and 6x2, 6 is common. Then the bracket x1 minus x2 is equals to 0. Now here x1 minus x2 whole square. So we are taking the factors of this. That means x1 minus x2 and x1 plus x2. Okay, plus 6 x1 minus x2 is equals to 0. So from this all we can take x1 minus x2 common. So remaining is 9 in a bracket x1 plus x2 plus 6 is equals to 0. So that means again इसको compare करें, that means it will gives us x1 is equals to x2 or 9 in a bracket x1 plus x2 is equals to minus 6 or yes minus 6. That means x1 plus x2 is equals to minus 6 upon 9, that is minus 2 by 3. But as x1 and x2 belongs to R plus, okay, when two numbers are plus, then how can the addition can be negative? So not possible. So as x1 and x2 belongs to R plus, x1 plus x2 cannot be equals to minus 2 by 3, and therefore we are having x1 is equals to x, this, and therefore f is 1, 1. So 1, 1 is clear to you. How we will show? Okay, so let me. I hope you understood this one. X1 is f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Apply the formula for the definition for the function. So हम function भी define किया है, उसके according consider किया है, and we got the news x1 is equals to x2. ये वाला possible नहीं हो सकता because the reason is when we are converting we are getting the addition of two positive number as a negative, which cannot be possible. So therefore x1 is equals to x2 and hence our function is 1, 1. So you can note down this 1, 1. Now let me find out that it is an onto function. So for ontoness, what we have to do? We have to find out such a y in this. Okay, using this, so that there exists some x in the R plus such that f of x is equals to y. So I am starting from here for ontoness. So we note down this equation 1, 1 is till this. So now further you so let f of x is equals to y. So that means 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is equals to y. So whenever we are solving this question, we can solve in two ways. First, we can complete it as we can convert as the completing square method. So this is 9x, that means 3x whole square. 6 can be written as 2 into 3x. So 3x is already there, so plus 1 we require. So when we are adding plus, we have to minus 1. So this equals to y. So here we are having this term as a 3x plus 1 whole square, and this is minus 6 is equals to y. So therefore 3x plus 1 whole square is equals to y plus 6. So that means 3x plus 1 is equals to under root of y plus 6. But how? Plus or minus. If we are taking the square root, then we are getting plus or minus y plus 6. But students, you see this one, as our y belongs to minus 5 to infinity. Okay, as our y belongs to minus 5 to infinity, so if y is equals to minus 5, so we are getting 6 minus 5, that is equals to plus. So we write down here as y belongs to minus 5 to infinity, so therefore y plus 6 is always positive. Y plus 6 is always positive, and therefore we are having 3x plus 1 is equals to under root y plus 6. I am writing 6 plus y. Okay, or you can write y plus 6, no issue with that. So therefore 3x is equals to under root 6 plus y minus 1, and hence x is equals to under root 6 plus y minus 1 upon 3. So using the completing square method, we have found one factor x as a under root 6 plus y minus 1 by 3. So using this method, we have convert our x in terms of y. So therefore for every y belongs to which minus 5 to infinity, there exists x such that there exists x of type under root 6 plus y minus 1 by 3, so that there exists such that f of x is equals to y, right? This we have starting from f of x is equals to y, so no need to show it again. So therefore f is on 2, and therefore f is 1 1 and on 2. Therefore f is invertible. Okay, so here we have shown that the function is 1 1 and onto, and therefore f is invertible. So this part is proved. Okay. Now next thing is with the inverse. तो हम बताने को उसका inverse क्या है? That f inverse of y is equals to under root y plus 6. So I am changing here is y plus 6. Y plus 6. Okay. So under root of y plus 6, this we required. So now we have to show that its inverse is this. So what we will do? So let us define G from where to where? Inverse of f, that is minus 5 to infinity, close interval minus to open infinity, to r plus s g of y is equals to under root y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, so now we have to show that f composition of G is equals to identity as well as G composition of f as an identity. Again, you should note down this one on today's. So let me start up further. I hope you have done. That means you can pause the video and note down in your notebook. Now let me see f composition of G. So f is composed, it will apply on y. So this is f of G of y. So what is the G of y we have defined? Under root y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. So what is our y? I am continuing here. 9x square. So 9 under root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 6x. At the place of x, we are having y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3 minus 5. Okay, so this we are having. So now let me solve further. So 9 This is x and y, so x square minus y square. Just expand it. So this is y plus 6 minus 2 under root y plus 6 plus 1 upon 9 plus 3 2s are 6. So 2y plus 6 minus 2. Okay, minus 5. So now 9 and 9 is cut. So here y plus 6 minus 6 and 1 7. So y plus 7 minus 2 under root y plus 6 plus 2 under root y plus 6 minus 7. So now plus 7 minus 7 minus 2 y plus 6 plus 2 under root y plus 6. Got remaining is y, and this is identity on where is y belongs? Where is y belongs to this minus 5 to infinity. So minus 5 to infinity. Okay, so this is F composition of G. Now we have to show G composition of F. Now G composition of F of x, as F is f of x defined, so that's why. So G of f of x, that means G of 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So now what is G? Under root y plus 6. So under root, this is your y, 9x square plus 6x minus 5 plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. We have applied. So now this we are having 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 1 upon 3. But what is this? We have converted. Remember, जब हमने ऑन में इसको प्रूव किया था, this is 3x plus 1 whole square. So under root of 3x plus 1 whole square minus 1 upon 3. Now square and square root vanish each other. So 3x plus 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 cut. So 3x upon 3, 3 cut, that is x. And where is our x belongs? R plus. So that is equals to identity on R plus. So now you understood, children, what we have done. First we have shown that our function f is 1 1. In the next we have shown that f is on 2. Then we have defined a function g like this, okay, and then we show f composition. That f composition of g is identity on y, that is minus 5 to infinity, and g composition of f is identity on x, that is r plus. So in the last we have to write down here. So therefore what we have, so we have shown, also we have f composition of g is equals to identity on closed interval minus 5 to infinity, and g composition of f is identity on r plus. Therefore g is inverse of f. Therefore f is invertible. Therefore g is equals to f inverse. Therefore f is invertible with f inverse is equals to, what is our f inverse of y? What we have defined g? Under root y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. And this is our question is over. With this, I hope you understood this question. Please we refer all these questions 6, 7, 8 and 9. How to prove the function is invertible, what to show. Okay, so that is the most important part of this chapter and important question we can see in terms of your board exam. So you may solve this question further. Okay, I hope you like these all questions. So till that, now today we are stopped with this question number 9. In the next class, that is tomorrow, we will see from question number 10. Till that, please read, please study at home, refer all the question again. Thank you and have a nice day.